Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove the rear bumper on a Ford Focus Electric or Ford Focus 3. To remove the rear bumper, you first need to take off the rear lights because the bumper mounting clips are located underneath them. To remove the rear lights, you need to open the trunk and access the bolts securing the lights. Let's open the trunk. First, we carefully remove this protective cover on the inner lining and then unscrew this plastic bolt, which is securely fastened. It's a wing nut, so it unscrews easily and you don't need any extra tools here. This is what the wing nut looks like. After that, unscrew the wing nut located in the upper hole, right here. The wing nuts are screwed on tightly because my car's bumper was repaired and it seems the mechanics tightened them very well. After that, we carefully slide the tail light out of its place. Don't pull too hard because there's also a latch here that you don't want to break, so gently rock the tail light back and forth and eventually release all the latches. After that, you can disconnect the power supply to the rear light. There's a standard connector here. Just pull it and it should come out of its socket. To remove the connector, simply press here with a screwdriver or your finger and it will come out of its socket. Now you can set the tail light aside. After that, we remove the right tail light in the same way, unscrewing the two wing nuts, one at the bottom and one at the top. And then we carefully remove the rear tail light as well, making sure not to break the side latch. Disconnect the connector. While disconnecting the rear connector, I'll also use some silicone to lubricate it. Let's start removing it. Press the latch and gently pull it upward. It's a bit tight to remove here, but it's installed very securely. And after that, you can access all the bulbs installed in the rear part of the tail light. That's why I think everything here is very well thought out and convenient for replacing the bulbs. After that, using a 7mm hex socket, we unscrew the two rear bolts at the bottom. On the left and right, after that, using a Torx 25-bit, we unscrew the two bolts securing the lower wheel arch liner. Here, it is made from a dense fabric. One is at the bottom and the other is a bit higher up. And after that, by moving the wheel arch liner aside, you can see another screw here, which also needs to be unscrewed with the same Torx bit. And we unscrew the same screws on the right side of the bumper. And we unclip the lower fastener on both sides of the bumper. The clip looks like this when inserted inside, just like on many of the lower component fastenings on this car. And after that, using a flat pry tool, we release all the fasteners along the bottom. We start here at the bottom, pry off one latch. Then the second one, you need to press down. Here you also need to press these latches on the bumper. This side is already released. We'll do the same on the other side. And after unclipping the latches, you can remove the bumper from its place. Here The keyless entry antenna for the trunk is connected to the rear bumper. I can't disconnect this connector. To avoid breaking it, I'll just disconnect it from the amplifier. It looks like this keyless access sensor for the trunk. After disconnecting the rear wiring harness, you can move the bumper aside. Now let's take a look at what you can see under the rear bumper on this car. Under the rear bumper there is a metal reinforcement bar like this. There is a robust bumper support bracket located on the upper side, and also there are essential ventilation valves specifically designed for the trunk compartment. They are usually tightly sealed so dirt doesn't get in here. On both sides we will install the rear bumper in the reverse order. For now, this is enough for me to install the tow bar or hitch. You have just watched a video how to remove the rear bumper on a Ford Focus Electric. Leave your feedback and comments, like the video, subscribe to our channel and stay with us. Goodbye everyone!